Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about isalnum method. The isalnum method in Python is a string method that returns true if all the characters in the string are alphanumeric, either letters or numbers, and there is at least one character, otherwise it returns false. Return values. The isalnum method return a boolean values true and false, parameter values. This function does not accept any parameter. So here we have some examples. A equal to welcome inside double quotation marks, b equal to inside double quotation marks, first letter is capital and all the letters are in small format, and here we have numbers 1 2 3. So c equal to, first I will discuss about a equal to welcome. When I will type here print a dot isalnum method, it will give us true because all the numbers are in small form. It does not make any difference if we will type here small letters or capital letter, it will give us true value. So here the answer is true. The next is w is capital and welcome in small letters, other ELCUM, and 1 2 3 in it is in numbers. So it is also give us true values because what is isalnum method? Isalnum method, it give us true values if the letters are in small format, or in capital format, or in number format. So c equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 inside double quotation marks is also give us true value because here we have numbers. Welcome, d equal to welcome, it is in capital format, so it also give us true value. And e equal to inside double quotation, e equal to inside double quotation marks, and here we have a space here, blank space, and it give us false value. And f equal to w capital E, and here we have a space in between welcome and 1 2 3, so it also give us false value. And here g equal to 3.345, it also give us false value. So how can we type here? We can type here print a dot isalnum parentheses. So similarly a b c so on for g. First I will type here a equal to welcome, all the letters are in small format. So when I will type here print a dot isalnum, when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer true. And the next example is b equal to w is capital and other letters are in small format, and 1 2 3. When I will type here print a b dot isalnum, when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer true. So the next is c equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. When I will type here simple method c dot isalnum, so when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer true. And the next is d equal to welcome. When I will type here print d dot isalnum, when I will hit or run code, then I got the answers true. The next is e equal to, inside we have a space, blank space. When I will type here print e dot isalnum, when I will hit or run code, then I got the answers false. So the next example is f equal to w is capital, ELCUM welcome, and then we have a space in between 1 2 3, and I will type here print f dot isalnum, then I will hit or run code, then I got the answer false. The next example is g equal to 3.345. Sorry, I have forgotten double quotation marks, and then I will type here 3.345, and I will type here print g dot isalnum. So when I will hit or run code, then I got the answer false. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate this. If you will like my video and follow for more.